This is race number 6. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Torres Best by the rail. Shining Armor on the outside, unequal. And Gaston Bidel, Lucky Lork is bringing up the rear. And heading for the backstretch, it's Torres Best in the lead, followed by Shining Armor in second on the outside. And Gaston Bidel moving up on the inside is entry number 2, unequaled, and Lucky Lork. And into the backstretch, it is still Torres Best by half a length, followed by Shining Armor in second, and closing in third by 3.5 lengths, entry number 4, Gaston Bide, unequaled, and Lucky Lork. The mid backstretch, it is still Torres Best by half a length, followed by Shining Armor on the outside, closing in third, Gaston Bide, unequaled, and Lucky Lork. Nearing the far turn is Torres Best by half a length. Shining Armor remains in second on the outside. And now moving up on the farther outside, entry number 4, Gaston Bide. It's Shining Armor, Gaston Bide. Now moving up on the outside. It is now Gaston Bide in the lead. It's Gaston Bide by half a length, followed by Shining Armor in second. And now the last bend for home, Gaston Bide by a length and a half, followed by Shining Armor. And Torres Best drops back to third by 2.5 lengths. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Gaston Bide on the outside by the rail, Shining Armor, and Torres Best unequaled. But it's still Gaston Bide in the lead. It's Gaston Bide, followed by Shining Armor, moving up on the outside, Torres Best. And finally, it's a cinch for entry number 4, Gaston Bide, Shining Armor, Torres Best, unequaled, and Lucky Lork.
Ayun pa rin.
Gaston Bide crossing the finish.